A shadow bends through quiet winds. The soul ascends a desert sky, a single star. I wonder who we really are. The earth, it trembles under prayer. A voice so soft it fills the air. Yeah. I find you there. A tear it falls, a river flows. The heart it breaks, the spirit grows. Through trials deep, through endless pain, the sun returns after the rain.